Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a durable paper bag. We'll cover selecting the right materials and applying smart construction techniques. The goal is to create a bag that can withstand more weight and last longer than a standard one. By focusing on key areas like paper choice, reinforcement, and proper adhesion, you can craft a truly robust and reusable paper bag for various purposes. To begin, you'll need sturdy materials. Opt for craft paper or cardstock with a weight of at least 160 grams per square meter for superior strength. For adhesives, a strong PVA glue or hot glue will ensure lasting bonds. Essential tools include sharp scissors, a reliable ruler for accurate measurements, and a bone folder to achieve crisp creases. For added durability, a clear waterproof spray or laminating sheet is highly recommended. First, cut your paper to your desired bag size. A common starting point is 9.5 by 15 inches. Next, carefully fold and crease all edges to form the bag structure, ensuring crisp lines for a professional look. Apply a strong adhesive to all seams, especially reinforcing the bottom with an additional layer of paper or cardboard. Finally, attach your handles securely, using grommets or extra paper patches for enhanced durability. To maximize durability, insert a piece of cardboard or chipboard into the bag's bottom to support heavier items. Strengthen handle attachments by adding extra layers of paper or even fabric patches where they connect to the bag. For protection against moisture and tears, apply a clear sealant, such as a silicone coating or a waterproof spray. Remember to allow sufficient drying time, typically several hours, for all glues and coatings to fully cure before using your new, durable paper bag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.